What's up, guys? So today we're starting the day off by going to a car show. It's like a small car show. I know there's like bigger events going on today. So there's a drift event at Thompson, which I can't make because my car is still apart, and there's a big car show at UMass today. But this is at Drew's local college, so we decided to head up there. All the guys are heading out, and I have Steph with me. Steffi has been on vacation for like ever now, and she's finally back. Left me alone. Yeah, so we're gonna head there now, and then after that we have hopefully a good surprise. Got the Beamer, of course. This is a really long line. Like, the entrance is all cool. Finally get up here, and we're going this way, and we have to get in that way. There is way more people here than I think anyone anticipated. What's up, y'all? DJ! What are you doing? I don't know, I'm stuck. I've been stuck over here. Why are you with Tommy? Hi, Garrett. I get to park next to the literally immaculate FD in my dirty ass Boofy 36. Why you gotta do me like that? Dude, I parked here first. I know. God, that car's so gorgeous. How's she driving?
Good, it feels really good. It's stiff. It's how I like it.
This thing is amazing. Well, found the crew. What's up, guys?
What's up? Yo.
Where you been?
Married. Married, literally married.
Look at the man. Off has begun.
Has begun. I'll get some Taco Bell and blow bigger flames than all these fools.
Sucker, I'm sorry. You little, your big old ears. Tommy, come on, win the rev off. This shit sounds like a Prius.
Dude, we converted it. It just runs off 3 batteries.
What did you find? She found a kitty. Roger, shouldn't you be selling 240 parts somewhere?
I did.
What's up, bud?
I just came back. What's going on, Jimmy?
Alright, now what?
So show's over. No one won any trophies. There's a lot of cool cars here today, actually. We're gonna get food, and then we're gonna go get Drew's hard body, and then take a trip to hopefully buy something new. As we are on our way to go pick up the new surprise. Well, it's not really like a huge surprise, but new tool.
It's a huge.
I'm pumped. So hopefully it's everything we expected, and hopefully I can get a good deal on it. Scraping down this whole road. Oh.
These are dry. Oh my God, look at this turn. Oh. Alright guys, there it is. I bought a new trailer. Now, we were supposed to trailer at home, and we brought the wrong ball size for Drew's hard body, and we weren't able to get it today, but it's okay. I got a really good deal on it. I sold my red enclosed trailer, and I actually was able to get this trailer, which is way nicer, for a couple bucks cheaper, which is really cool. The enclosed was just too much for me. It was a pain in the ass. It was just too much to lend out, and I don't like it. God, how do I love that E36? But I gotta take Steffi's car because I have to do the brakes on it because the rear brakes are shot. And we have a big day tomorrow.
Huge day tomorrow. I haven't mentioned it. Tomorrow's gonna be a big ass surprise. More surprises.
When you watch this video, it's happening.
What are you guys doing?
Enjoying the sun.
Chilling.
What's about to happen? Hopefully in the next few hours.
Hopefully.
This motor's about to blow up.
You heard?
Yo, get out of here with your cut ass face. The drip hatch is getting tuned and hopefully driven.
Hopefully. Well, not well, base map. Like
Base map,
so.
but it'll get driven.
We want to. Our goal today is to putt it across the parking lot.
Yeah.
And blow a rod. Throw a rod.
What is that,
Be a
Donald?
rod through your mouth in a minute. You keep your shit up.
Look. Oh, that's the old one.
That's the old John.
More fab now.
Yes, sir.
You ready to get this hitting?
Yeah, we'll get it hitting.
We'll try our best. It's a big moment, Jip. Hopefully I did everything right.
A rod thrower.
Do that again? I see it arcing onto the fucking...
Is it?
Look right here at the coil pack. It's arcing onto the body.
Oh. Do it again?
There it is.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah.
This should be sparking into the body.
Oh, it was not fucking plugged in. Alright, let's try that again. Oh, we need another battery. There it is.
There we go.
And that's the smoothest it's idled so far. That feels and it sounds good. I'm happy. This is progress. Shawty hits. Yeah. All right, guys, it is idling amazing. The exhaust sounds really good. I don't hear a leak yet. Nice and quiet. Everything seems really good on the computer. We don't have an intake air temperature sensor right now. I know a lot of you guys were saying that with the Mega Squirt on RJ's. We didn't add one yet, but it's fine. We kind of set it at a certain temp that we tend to run out around here for now. Justin's going through it, just double checking everything. We should be able to rip it down the road in just a few minutes. The brakes need to be bled still, and the alternator isn't charging too well, even though it's a brand new alternator, so we'll figure that out. The engine's idling at $183, which is awesome. The clutch fan's really putting in work. Now at this point, Jip's gonna make sure that nothing flies into his turbo. We don't have a filter on it, and we should be good to go. So we just spooled it, and it really sounds like a diesel truck. You guys get the iPhones out. Ready? Okay.
That bitch sound like a Jay-Z or some shit.
We might need a driver mod though.
Oh, you talking hella shit. What you gonna do? What you gonna say? Yo, watch out for Tucker.
This is a huge moment. Oh, got it. Go straight. Get the jacks in. Someone get the jacks. Don't go full lock. Chill. Don't go full lock. There's some movesets we gotta. Reverse pull. Fuck it. Just send down a full burnout. Where's he going? Test your brakes first. Test your brakes. Or don't. Woo! It's moving. No brakes. No! The exhaust is so low. Woo! Oh, it's still fluttering. No brakes.
Okay.
Dude, your exhaust is
Later, hater.
Dude, that thing isn't even a finger of clearance. That's like a cigarette of clearance.
Well, this is a big moment, dude. We got that thing as a strip shell, and now it's kind of rolling.
Yeah.
Turbo on it.
Tit.
A little nervous. Yeah, we gotta pull some fuel. We gotta make sure there's a lot of fuel on that thing. We have it way too safe.
Woo! That sounds good though.
Yeah.
We gotta clean her up a little bit.
He hits that same pump every time.
When you gotta shut off. Alignment looks great. All right,
She's in rough shape.
Parker.
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Already close.
Oh!
Do that again.
Oh! Accidental two-step. Oh, all right, we're good. A little bit more work to do.
Yeah.
Dude,
Like if it was, I don't know, but it's probably eating it probably runs great, but
it was a good
like,
bass tune for
yeah.
like
Yeah, no,
20 minutes
definitely.
worth of
Yeah,
work.
absolutely.
The car actually drives.
I know, that's pretty good for how much we
That's
changed
really
too.
good.
Well, there it is. Rudnick's KA that went to Orion, that went to
wow,
Chip.
and of course he tries it in the shop of all places. Nice.
It runs, dude. It sounds pretty good. We got what? Everyone's car running this week besides mine. Ew.
Like a super rough bass mat. She moved under her own power. How was it?
Lit. I just wish it was
so
way
good,
more
though.
dialed so I can like.
Dude, it's shakedown. We got a lot more to go.
I know. Nice.
Alright. You're nuts. Someone's happy.
She works.
Well, she runs, which is absolutely insane. As you can tell, it's running like a lot of rich. The map Justin started with was basically was set for 550cc injectors. That's the map he was able to get a hold of, and we were tuning down for that because there wasn't one out there already for the 370s on the SR one. So he's gonna play with that map, take some fuel out, figure out. We gotta basically figure out the parameters of the injectors. We gotta bleed the brakes, do your alignment. We gotta tuck your exhaust up even more, and then you could really get on her. She sounds healthy. She's running great. It's boosting smoothly. The coolant temp is great. I don't even know what else. I mean, it perfect to our expectations. Way beyond it.
It moved.
It moved.
It moved.
It hit.
Should have pre-registered the 5th, but he's scared.
No, that's too soon.
Fine, too soon.
It's alright.
Shake down the
So are you gonna be more motivated now, Jip?
110%.
Beautiful.
2 weeks. You got 2 weeks.
This has been a really good week for everyone's car. Or the past like week and a half, we've got everything's coming together. It's that time of the year, and I'm excited. My car's still a bare freaking shell. In the garage, go home, edit this video, and you guys know the deal. So today was an awesome day, fun little car show. Got the new trailer, even though I didn't bring it home yet. Jib's car is officially like roadworthy-ish. I wouldn't really consider it roadworthy, but it runs underneath its own power, which is like a huge feat. We've gotten 3 cars hitting this week, and that's a huge accomplishment. Now I just have to get my car. My head should be back probably on Tuesday, and we'll get it together and do all that stuff. But besides that, hope you guys liked today's video. I hope you guys are ready for tomorrow's video, tomorrow's big surprise, and that's about it. So like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I will see you guys probably tomorrow.